Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to block or allow microphone access in any Samsung phone. If you're using any Samsung phone and you want to block or allow microphone access, so let's see how can you do that. First of all, you just have to open your settings app. In settings, simply go down and go for security and privacy option. Just tap on it and here scroll down again and you will get control and alerts option here. Just tap on it and here you will get the microphone access. You can see that this toggle is enabled. If you want to block microphone access, you can simply turn it off and then select block option. Once you have selected, now you know one of your apps can access your microphone, or if you want to allow, you must have to enable that toggle and it will be enabled. So in this way you can easily block or allow microphone access in any Samsung phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.